My name is Jaime Eduardo Ramirez Lara. I'm from Mexico City, Querétaro State. I planning this travel to Nigeria since 7 years ago. I know my friend for other Babalawos, and we start to talk about Ifa. He teach me many things about Ifa. So he told me come to Nigeria for see exactly how is Ifa in our country. That's the reason why I come here to Nigeria. He teach me Ifa is a kind of life. Is how is the people here in Nigeria living like Ifa. Different in America think about different about Ifa. And my friend teach me it's a kind of life and you can live very good great how do you say agradeciendo
Great life with
great
Ifa.
life with Ifa and Olotumare every day, and that's the reason. Ejokbe is a very complicated Odu, a very big one. Have many restrictions, have many things you need to learn with the pass of the time. Ejokbe, if I teach us, Ejokbe will be very organized for triumphant life. You need to study, you need to be patient, you need to be honest. You can do everything with a Ejokbe. You can have business, you can be a priest, you can you have a leadership for teach Ifa to many people. I think it's a big responsibility have a Ejokbe, and I start to learn a life with this Odu, because every bow, every teach is different.
Actually, it's my friend. We know each other for long, for almost 7 years. So we have been communicating. So he's also a traditionalist and Onisheshe from Mexico. So he's based in Mexico. He has been in Isheshe for long. So he believes in the system, the traditional system of Ifa and Olodumare. So it's right there in Nigeria to give more spirituality, to give more spiritual knowledge, to gain more wisdom, to see how things is being done as an Ifa priest. He's also an Ifa priest. He's also a practicing Ifa priest. So I pray that his trip will be the best, and I pray for longevity for him, long life and prosperity. So anything he lays his hand on, prosper. So Ifa is for everybody. Ifa is not just limited to only the Yorubas or the Africans alone, because we have our people, our forefathers been taken away as slaves during the era of slavery, and all these people have the blood of Africa, of Ifa running through them from their ancestors. So I'm sure my friend Ramirez is tracing his step back to his ancestral home in Ota. So, and we gladly welcome him, and we pray for safe return. Ashe.
Ashe.
He has also initiated into Ifa a summit Jubi, Obanla. Ashe.
Ashe.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
All right.
It's very important you closed to some babalawo with experience, because around the world exists many babalawos don't have the necessary training for teach Ifa. So it's very important to start with the knowledge before start to make any sacrifice or a bow or anything. I think you need to close to somebody, teach us, see how Ifa works, and after take a decision for don't disappoint of this greatness, this great Ifa religion. That's the advice.
Àjàsáró, àjàsáró ọgbọ́n, sórí èmi.